In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Miracle Tea recipe in Once Human. So this is actually the Miracle Tea location in Once Human. Now, it is positioned over here on this table. I just picked it up for proof. As you can see in my inventory, I have just obtained this. Now, the way you can find this is by opening up the map and go into this location over here, which is the Iron River, right in between Greywater Camp and this Winding Ridge Frontier, in a kind of a village over here, or the farmland called Winding Ridge Farmland. Now you want to get over here and you want to go to the bottom left of this town. As you can see over here, it's located in this kind of bar area over here at the very corner of this town over here on the other side of the farm. You simply walk in there, but be careful because there's enemies nearby. Okay, they're low level, so they're easy to fight. Not a problem, but just be cautious. And then you walk to this table over here and you'll be able to get that recipe. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.